If you've ever said, I know what I need to do, I just can't make myself do it, you're not broken. You're just out of alignment with how your brain actually creates change. See, your brain isn't designed to follow diets or rules. It's designed to follow rewards. And every time you eat, your brain releases dopamine, that feel-good chemical that reinforces behavior. So if you're used to soothe yourself with stress, reward yourself, or find comfort in food, your brain learns that food equals relief, satisfaction, safety, and that pattern becomes automatic. And no amount of willpower can outthink a subconscious loop that's wired in for safety. The real shift happens when you start retraining those patterns. Instead of fighting cravings, you learn to understand them. You pause before you eat and you ask yourself, what do I really want? Sometimes it's food, but often it's peace, rest, connection. And the moment you identify that need, the craving loses its grip. And then you can start building new associations with hypnosis. You teach your subconscious mind. You teach it that healthy eating isn't restriction, it's respect, that nourishment feels calm, satisfying. And when your subconscious feels safe, your body relaxes and can make healthier choices automatically. And that's when healthy eating stops feeling like effort and starts feeling natural. Find tools, strategies, and hypnosis to rewire your brain in the A Lighter You 90-day hypnosis system. Helps retrain your brain to support lasting change from the inside out. Click the link to learn more and register, and go ahead and like and subscribe for more tools to retrain your brain. Learn to trust your body and find your lighter, freer self, inside and out. Check out alighteryousystem.com/join. See you there.